Welcome back to our YouTube tutorial series. In this video, we will guide you on how to view your videos on TV using YouTube on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube. Step 2. Select a video. Find the video you want to watch on your TV and click on it to open the video page. Step 3. Click Play on TV. Look for the Play on TV option, usually located below the video player. Click on it to initiate the process of casting your video to your TV screen. By clicking Play on TV, you can enjoy your favorite YouTube videos on a larger screen, enhancing your viewing experience and allowing you to share content with friends and family. That's it for today's tutorial on how to view your videos on TV using YouTube on your PC. We hope you found this information helpful. Remember to stay tuned for more useful YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. This video is for educational purposes only. Results may vary.